I've been having troubles with my oxygen concentrator cutting out on me, so the suggestion is to change the filter. I've already taken this filter out, this one, and blown it out with compressed air, but apparently there's another filter in here that I didn't know about, which this would be easier if I wasn't holding the phone with one hand. Just pull that. Oh, a little twist helped. Okay, so now, and I have another one here in the bag. I really can't open a plastic bag with just one hand. Okay, so here's the old filter, and the date on it is, come on, focus. There we go. Looks like it was installed in 2013, and it's now 2017, so 4 years, it's probably. So now we just put the new one in. You can see there's a little bit of this stuff has collapsed in there, and it just pushes right in. And again, a little bit of a twist helps. Okay, so hopefully that'll do her. So we'll see if it stays running now. And that's how you replace the other filter.